Jurassic Park, the movie, is coming this summer, and to honor it, I decided to recreate the famous scene from Jurassic Park 1 where the T-Rex goes and eats the royal in the outhouse. That's right. And to create this specific scene, I created this awesome looking outhouse structure. This is a structure that could easily be recreated by you. It is made out of very simple and yet effective parts. As you can see, I'm gonna be taking apart this huge structure almost piece by piece so you can see how easily you can do the same thing. All you have to do is view this video a few times and study how I created it, and then you can create your own structure as well. What you do need is a few specialized pieces, and those pieces are easily obtainable from eBay itself. All the Lego bricks, those are brown Lego bricks. You can easily get a bunch of them on eBay. Just type in Lego brick, and that's all you have to do. Lego brown wooden bricks, that's what they're actually called. And we have a gel cell structure to this. So the gel cell is the door, so that's what you have to do to get the door. You have to just type in Lego gel cell door, and the bottom of it is actually the grid, and this is a grid piece that is created as well. When you're creating this particular structure, make sure that the bottom is created exactly how you see here. The reason I use the flat pieces and the sliding pieces right on it, as you can see, there was very small circles there, and the circles is so it easily pops in and out. And for the door, I used a small circle too, and I put it in there. And those circle elements are easily done. For example, the door can easily be opened. And in other locations, you can break and take apart this structure a lot more easier when it's done this way. And here I'm taking apart this whole wall, and you can see how easily it is created and what I used to actually do this. And here I'm putting everything right back together because the T-Rex is going to come soon, and he's going to eat this whole structure up, and it's going to explode into small little pieces. At the same time, I wanted to make sure when this item does break, it doesn't break into lots of many different pieces. So what I did, I made the structure itself to be pretty solid. So when it does break, it can easily be put together as it is created for that purpose. And here is how one of the walls is created as well. So you can use either the 4 bricks, or you can use the 2 bricks. It doesn't matter, it's whatever you like, and the design itself, this is how it's going to look like. Now when you're putting it back together, it should snap pretty easily into place. It's only being held by 2 little studs, so it is pretty fragile, and the reason is I wanted this item to be fragile. I wanted to be able to break easily, and the reason I wanted to break easily is that I wanted it to fall apart, and that's part of the fun. This is the part of the whole play here. And on the bottom here, I actually made it more even able to be broken on the side too. So it's going to give it extra side effects when the dino does come and attacks this particular structure, because dinner is coming very soon, and I'm sure you guys are really hungry to see what's going to happen when dinner is actually going to come any second. And that's right, the T-Rex is getting very hungry looking at this outhouse. He's just waiting for the Lego man to come over there and to use the outhouse itself. In fact, let's build the outhouse and show you how that's done. So let's put this back together, and we only have to put back the top item right on top of this particular item. Here we go. Everything is done. It's just showing you how it is created. And here is the outhouse itself. This is actually the bathroom, and it is made out of very small but interesting pieces that you can easily get. This is a life vest, and that is a hot plate actually. So Lego hot plate is used, and one of them is the Lego vest itself. So, and this is the life vest is something that you can give as a Lego minifigures, and it is easily found on eBay too. And if you can't find the specific pieces that we are using, that is just fine. You can substitute it for something else that looks very similar like it. It doesn't have to look exactly how you see it in the video. This is Lego. You can create it and make it look however you like it to. But if you really like this particular structure that I have and you don't want to bother with getting those specific elements too, you can just go and buy this item on Etsy. I'm actually selling this particular set on Etsy in case somebody does want to get their hands on it. I probably won't make any more than one of those. So here it is. I'm putting it right back together. Here's the human, and he's going to test how effective he's going to be as bait for the T-Rex. So let's close this up. And now the T-Rex starts to smell him already. And he doesn't like bad smells. Here he is. He is coming over, and there he is. He's gonna attack it, and he's really hungry, so he's going for it. And dinner is coming, and it's jumping right into his mouth. So he volunteered to jump right into his mouth. So there it is, and this is the T-Rex outhouse.